Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ayushtipsntricks. So today we will learn how to insert the bullet points in our Excel worksheet. So before moving further, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, like, share and support me. So I would like to know how you all guys used to insert the symbols in a text box. So what we'll do, we'll insert a text box. First thing, like here I insert the text box, right click it, here I'll find the bullets, type in something, say welcome. Okay, so this is how we used to have bullets in the text box. But what about if I want to insert a bullet here? So the first thing that comes to mind, like I'll go to insert, click the symbol, say I want this as my or this as my symbol. I'll click on insert, close it and write my text again. But what about next time? Again same procedure, one by one. Too tiresome, isn't it? Again and again, one and same thing. Insert, symbol, click, close, insert, symbol, click, close. So today I'll show you the easy way of inserting a bullet in my Excel cell. So in this tutorial we see how to insert the bullets symbols in Excel worksheet in a few simple ways. So before starting that, let me introduce to this thing. So as we all know that Microsoft Excel is primarily about numbers, but it is also used to work with the text data such as to prepare a to-do list, bulletin boards, workflows, etc. So in this case, presenting information in a right way is really important. Else it will become too confusing or hodgepodge, something like that. And the best way we can do it to make it in a form of list and step easier to read is to create the bullet points or the symbols. So before knowing this, I used to put a dash or a greater than equal to sign at the beginning of the test, and then I continue with my test. And many times when the data is too long, it's very painful for me. And to add to that, the bad news is that in Excel it doesn't provide a built-in feature for bullet like we do have in our Microsoft Word, Microsoft Point. So I have always wondered why was Excel devoid of such basic functionality. But this doesn't mean that there is no way to insert bullets in Excel until I knew this trick. Yes, we can easily add bullets within few seconds. Okay, so first trick is to use the Alt key and the numeric keypad. That's it. Here I have listed down the few combos of the symbol that we can use in our Excel sheet along with the numeric keyboard. For example, I have shown you to click this black circle as a bullet and the text. So the shortcut for this is just press Alt key and 7. Yes, let me show you. So here I press my Alt key and press 7. Here it comes. As simple as that. Now I can continue writing my text. Click enter. Again put Alt 7. Write something. Press enter. That's it. No need to go again and again. Click on inserts, symbol, insert here, insert, close, nothing. Simple, Alt and 7 key, and here I have my bullet with me. Same we can do with all these combos. If I want to have this right arrow key, I'll just click on Alt and press 16, and here it comes. All these are working. Say I want to have this one in my key. So what I will do, press Alt and just number 26. So I can make all these with the help of my combo keys. Simple, nothing rocket science about it. So hope you know how to add the bullet point in a very simple way. Second way is to create a custom format for the bullet point. For this is also very easy. What we have to do? We have to click on this number format. Okay. Click on custom. Click on general. Okay. Up till now it's clear. Good. So now first we will choose the combo what we want in our bullet points. Say I choose this mark. The key to that is Alt plus 251. So what I will do, I'll just simply click my cell here, go to right click, click format cell, go on custom, click on general, and now first I'll put my symbol Alt 251. So see my symbol has come, and then just put the @ mark. Okay, and click OK. So my custom format has done. Now just I will write my text and see the bullet has come on its own. Just select the cells where you want the format to come. Click on number, custom, select my custom format, which is this. Click on OK. So in all these cells, my bullet will come on its own. So simple. Okay, so simple. That's it, nothing else. See, have we done anything special? How much time it took? Only few minutes. Not even that. Few seconds. If you know this trick, next time inserting bullets is not a problem. Okay, want to have more font symbols? Just press the Alt key and change the font to winding fonts, and you will get all these symbols. Simple, no hi-fi, nothing. Nothing means nothing. Just change the font to windings, and again the combo keys. You will get all these symbols. Give a try. If you are not able to understand, comment. I'll again explain you. No problem. Further want more symbols? like cross symbols, cross within a box, tick within a box. Here change the font to Wingdings font, but here you will have to use a shift key, and instead of numbers we will use here alphabets. Okay, like shift plus O and my font to Wingdings 2, it will give me a cross symbol. Same cross symbol here. Shift plus P key, font to Wingdings 2, give me a tick mark. Shift plus O P Q R S T U V. That's it. O P Q R S T U V. Okay. So here I have created a few examples like I show you earlier. Like if I want to click the bullets, click on one and just drag and fill to the adjacent cells where you want to have, or simple click it, click on format and place it, you will have it. Okay. Second is, if you want to repeat in the non-adjacent cells, click on the cells and just copy and paste. Simple, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. That's it. No rocket science, as simple as that. In third example, I've shown you how to use it. Different symbols you want, Alt and Enter will give you a line break and you can insert different symbols within a cell. Say I want to insert here Alt 7, then I'll give a line break. I'm come to next line, Alt 10, again next line by clicking on Alt plus Enter. Now Alt 251. See, I can have different symbols within a same cells also. Okay, hope you're liking it. And custom format I've shown you. Click on number, custom, type your symbol, say Alt 251 that I've already created. So Alt bullet points only and just a @ sign. Okay, so type in back. And here I get my bullet symbol. So guys, hope you like this video. Do comment if you have any problem, and it is a simple trick that I've shown you today, nothing simpler than that. And insert as many bullets as you want without any hectic and chaos and without any pain. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, comment, hit the bell icon, and I'll be back with another trick for you.